How to delete history in ElevenLabs. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're a beginner on ElevenLabs and you'd like to delete your history and remove old voice generations, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch open your ElevenLabs application or website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, from the main home page, go ahead and look for the option that says Recent Projects, which will be located at the bottom over here. Now, click on the three dots right above the project and you'll see the history and the delete button. To delete the history, click the delete option in the pop-up and click delete once again. Now your selected project will be deleted. Repeat the step for other files or generations you no longer need, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete history in ElevenLabs. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.